My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. I worked at IRS over a decade. I've worked thousands of cases. I'm a national expert in IRS tax resolutions. Welcome to my YouTube channel. They're short, they're sweet, and to the point. Me and my M&M man give you a thumbs up. Today we're going to talk to you about what do you do if you can't pay your business or 941 taxes. As a revenue officer, I've worked just thousands of these cases alone. You owe employment, business tax, and what happens? You just get behind, and it's really easy. You just start using the payroll money you were supposed to send in, and you just start going ahead and you just start spending it, and you file your tax returns or you don't file them. All of a sudden, at today, you're broke. You just don't have the money, so you know you're going to owe the debt. You know you're going to get the knock on the door. So what do? Boy, in the cases I worked, I try to give everyone a break if I knew they were trying. What's really important to understand is if you keep your tax returns filed and start to stay current, IRS wants to see that you're aware of the problem and you're trying to fix it. So make sure your tax returns are filed, and make sure you start making your weekly, bi-weekly, monthly tax deposit. So IRS now looks at you and says, well, they're current on their filing. They're at least current here, so let's work on these back taxes. At that point in time, IRS is going to check on your 1040 taxes to make sure you're current there. Then IRS is going to ask for two financial statements from you, a 433A, which is your personal financial statement, and a 433B, your business financial statement. IRS is going to evaluate your business to see whether they want to keep you open, put you in a payment agreement, and they actually have hardship agreements for people that are in business but can't pay but are current and making current deposits. The art in working with IRS is knowing how to fill out and complete and document your 433B. I can't tell you how critical that is. If you owe a small amount of money, you don't have a lot of assets, and you want to fall on IRS good graces, you can go in and try to accomplish that. It all depends the RO you're going to get. You're not going to know kind of any of the tricks or anything, but if you have a larger case, you really want to be represented, because there's certain ways you can fill out that 433B that I'm not going to give you the secrets to. It took me a long time to learn them and know them, and I use them for my clients. But there are certain things you can do to keep your business open, pay IRS efficiently so they don't get too much into your pocket. But remember, stay current, file all your tax returns, and make sure when you look at your expenses, there's not a lot of fat there. IRS is going to analyze your expenses that you have and make sure you're not using a lot of expenses for personal gain or for personal stuff. So you want to make sure you know that B inside and out. Get a good professional or do it yourself. Anyway, thank you for listening. If you have questions about the B, specific questions, leave it in the comment. I appreciate you liking my video, subscribing, and if you want me to talk about anything within that 433B you're not sure about, like how many receivables do I give them, what assets should I list, what happens if they're encumbered, you can always go ahead and ask me questions and I'll answer them. Thank you so much for listening. I appreciate you.